Hello everyone. My topic is sleeping habits. Sleep has been a topic of great concern. Due to increased technology, stress, night shift, etc. have impact on the quality of sleep. Sleep is very essential which affects the physical as well as the mental state of individual. In this video, we will see people of different age group, their sleeping schedule and many more. First, we will see people of age group 60 and above. The lady in the picture lies down on the bed whole day and get up in between to attend the natural urges and to have food. She does not have any sleep related issue. In this picture, the lady lies down on the bed whole day but does not get sleep. She does not get enough sleep and according to her, the tension is the reason for not getting the proper sleep. He gets sufficient sleep and while watching the TV or while reading the newspaper and even immediately after having the dinner, he feels like sleeping. He gets up in between the sleep to attain the natural urges. She does not get sufficient sleep due to the joint pain or shoulder pain and wakes up in between the sleep and sometimes she sleeps in the afternoon for 1 hour. Now we will see the age group between 35 to 50. Sleep is sufficient for him. Sometimes he gets up in between the sleep after every 1 to 2 hours. Sometimes sleeps in the afternoon for 15 to 30 minutes and due to overthinking or due to some important work on the next day, he sometimes does not get enough sleep. Whenever the sleep is not sufficient, he gets pain in the legs. Insufficient sleep due to her small baby, so she has to get up in between the sleep. Sleep is sufficient for him. Sometimes he sleeps in the afternoon and sometimes does not get the sleep due to the stress. She gets up in between the sleep due to her small baby, so there is no proper sleep. No sufficient sleep and wakes up in between the sleep due to the cough. And if there is no proper sleep, she sometimes gets headache. No sufficient sleep, sometimes wakes up in between the sleep and insufficient sleep because she thinks about the next day, how she will manage her household work, outside work and about her children. He gets sufficient sleep and sometimes there is insufficient sleep due to tension. Now we will see the age group between 6 to 12. She does not get sufficient sleep and she can't wake up in the morning because of the excessive use of the mobile at the night time. He gets sufficient sleep and sometimes he sleeps in the afternoon during the holiday. He gets sufficient sleep, sometimes wakes up in the middle of the night and he does not sleep in the afternoon. She gets sufficient sleep and she sleeps in the afternoon for 2 hours and sometimes there is insufficient sleep due to stress. In this slide, you can see the sleep duration for the different age groups have been mentioned. Ayurveda considers sleep as the most important component of our physiology. Public keeps on ignoring the importance of sleep, which may forecast some major illness in the future. So if we want a disease-free health, we should take proper rest and sleep. Thank you.